Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to unpin a group on the WhatsApp app for PC. Whether you've pinned a group to keep it at the top of your chat list and now want to remove it, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and can see your list of chats on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll through your chats until you find the pinned group you want to unpin. Pinned groups are always located at the very top of your chat list, so they're easy to spot. Once you've located the group, move your mouse cursor over it. Right-click on the group name or chat preview. This will open a small menu with several options. From this menu, look for the option labeled Unpin and click on it. The moment you select Unpin, the group will be removed from its pinned position and will return to its normal place in the chat list based on the most recent activity. And that's it! You've successfully unpinned a group on WhatsApp using your PC. This feature is great for decluttering your chat list and keeping only the most relevant conversations at the top. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for tuning in and happy chatting.